How to set up account alerts and notifications in Truist Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up accounts alerts and notification in Truist Online Banking so you can stay on top of your account activity. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with a credential and once you're logged in on the main dashboard, you simply have to click the settings option which you will usually find on the top right corner near your profile icon. So simply click on it and in the settings menu, you can choose alerts and notifications. And this is where you can manage how Twist updates you about account activity. So there you can turn on alerts for things like low balance, deposits, withdrawals, payments, due dates, and much more. So simply toggle on the ones that you want. And next, you can pick how you'd like to get these alerts by email, text messages, or app notification. And you can even select multiple options for extra coverage. And when you're done, you can just click Save to confirm your preferences, and your alerts will start working immediately. And that's it. That's how you can set up account alerts on Truist Bank online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos.